Wayne and I have spent a couple of days here in Te Anau after our Milford walk, just recovering and resting up. And this afternoon we're going to take a boat ride, sailboat ride, over to the other side of the lake. And there are some hidden lakes over there that we're going to take a guided 40-minute walk on.
Only do 7 knots and it's about 40 minutes to get to the other side to where we're going to go. What we're going to do today is go across to the other side of the South Fjord and we'll head over there.
We've set sail on Faith and we've just learned an awful lot about her from the Captain George. So the boat started out was made in Scotland in the early 1900s. And then during the war it used to take the soldiers from the land over to the big ships during the wartime. It ended up near Kosovo in the Mediterranean, and it was there was a time when all of the boats were asked to go over to pick up soldiers at the end, and at the end of the war, and Winston Churchill apparently knew the guy that owned this boat, and he said, listen, you keep Faith, which is the name of this boat, in Kosovo. Don't have her go, because it could put 50 people on this boat and it would be too much of a target. So they say that they like to think that this old girl was saved by Winston Churchill. Eventually the ship took its flight to come here, not a flight but a sail, and went around the world. It went with some other ships to New York and then set sail on its own down through Miami, through the Panama Canal, and then island hopping here to New Zealand. We're stopping up here on a small island. We're going to be going for a walk around the hidden lakes. We've walked through the bush and now we've come to these hidden lakes. Now these are glaciated lakes made from ice. The ice was far above my head at the moment, and as it moved down the valley it would have carved out these lakes. There's 11 or 13 of these lakes in this area. Sails are going up as we head back into Te Anau. It's a very cool ship, allowing the people on the ship or the boat to participate.